Olrac SPS is an international company with offices in South Africa and in London, and was founded in 1989 by Dr. Amos Barkai and Dr. Mike Berg. The company specializes in the implementation of sophisticated quantitative and predictive analytic tools in fisheries management and other commercial sectors. Olrac SPS uses a highly critical and pragmatic approach for the development and deployment of its technology. As a premier IBM partner, Olrac SPS is also the proud recipient of 2 prestigious IBM awards for its successful implementation of a number of complex analytical and software solutions. Olrac SPS is also the developer of Olrac Electronic Logbook Solution software, an advanced system for the electronic collection, transmission and tracing of commercial fishing data. This software is now installed in over 400 fishing vessels around the world, predominantly in the UK, Holland and Spain, but also in the USA, Australia and New Zealand, South Africa and Namibia, and throughout South America. From small fishing vessels to large commercial vessels, and potentially cruise ships, tankers, cargo carriers and even leisure yachts, Olrac Electronic Logbook Solutions can be used to cater for almost every possible scenario, which is what makes it so attractive to companies that need a robust, customized and dynamic solution for fishing and vessel management. The products that comprise the Olrac Electronic Logbook Solutions suite of tools are the Olrac Dynamic Data Logger or Olrac DDL and the Olrac Dynamic Data Manager or Olrac DDM. Olrac DDL is a third-generation, highly customizable and configurable electronic vessel activity recording and reporting system. It works with any type of fishery in a multitude of languages and allows you to comply with any number of specific management authority regulatory requirements. Olrac DDL is a touchscreen-ready Windows application and is able to capture and report marine data in either real time or after the activity has taken place using the Time Machine utility. You can input data via customizable lookups, map selection, Time Machine, text or numeric input, and you can display your data in a variety of formats depending on your requirements, localization and preferences. Olrac DDL can be linked to a GPS receiver and incorporates a built-in GIS utility for easy viewing of vessel movements and other operational data. The Graphical Information System provides a visual summary of statistics of all data collected by Olrac DDL and has now been upgraded from a traditional desktop interface to a client-server application, which features an offline cache for remote working. Until recently, Olrac DDL has mainly been used for regulatory and compliance purposes, such as the generation of all EU compliance reports. But now there is a growing interest in using the system for a variety of commercial activities, such as the sale of fish and ordering of services and products, and even to provide data to scientists for the scientific management of fish resources. Reports can be generated by a triggered event, date or time signal, or manually by the user as required, and can be saved, viewed, edited, and resent. Olrac DDL allows Olrac customers to ascertain a wealth of valuable information, such as average catches, stock on board, and when vessels need to be serviced. These reports can be transmitted using any commercial SATCOM system, such as Iridium and Inmarsat, via VMS or USB, or through cheaper cellular networks if the vessel is close enough to the shore. Data collected and reports generated by Olrac DDL can be transmitted and imported into the Olrac Dynamic Data Manager or Olrac DDM server. Olrac DDM is a web-based management system that reads data and reports from any number of vessels and is able to spatially present the data and vessel activity on the Olrac DDM Graphical Information System or GIS interface. Olrac DDM is able to provide automatic verification and validation of data and reports, and it can send out acknowledgements and/or summary reports and maps to any third-party data recipients or back to the vessels. With Olrac DDM being so scalable, it can be used by small companies, sector managers, or to manage an entire national fleet. Olrac also has an extensive network of distribution and support partners around the world, whose priority is to ensure that you're operational as quickly and efficiently as possible. For more information, please visit our website at www.olsps.com or email us at olrac@olsps.com.